Hey there, Python enthusiasts. It's time to dive into the intriguing world of the Python code challenge we posted last week. The statement in question is, many of you bravely attempted to decipher the result. And you might be surprised to know that the correct answer is indeed value error. But why does this error occur? Let's dissect the code and understand it step by step. If we print the expression without the dict function, we get a generator object. And that's absolutely correct. The generator expression creates a generator object. Now, let's take this generator object and put it inside a list comprehension. This will transform it into a list. So, what do we get? We end up with a list of dictionaries. So far, so good. But now comes the interesting part. We try to pass this list of dictionaries into the dict function. And here it is, the value error appears. The reason for this error is that the dict function expects a list or sequence of key value pairs. But in our case, we are passing a list of dictionaries. Hence, the function interprets the dictionary keys as the input keys, resulting in a value error. It's crucial to note that if we had passed a list of key value pairs, the dict function would have worked as expected. But in this particular scenario, we encounter the error due to the mismatch between the expected input format and what we provided. Thank you all for participating in the code challenge and sharing your thoughts and predictions. It's through these challenges that we sharpen our Python skills and deepen our understanding. Stay tuned for more exciting Python content on my channel. Remember to keep experimenting and embracing the beauty of Python. Happy coding!